Welcome back. Congress Executive Committee is yet to decide party's stand on regional plan. The statement comes from Congress after difference of opinion between the party unit and opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane on the finalization of regional plan. Congress has also demanded rescheduling of Panji by poll as it coincides with Carnival, which is scheduled on 14th February.
काल कितें तरी स्टेटमेंट्स आयला आनी इट इज वी हॅव जस्ट कम टू नो इट थ्रू द मिडिया ओनली टुडे सो काँग्रेस पार्टी स्टँड making clear now at such juncture when you are saying that there is difference of opinion, we are going to have our meeting, we are going to discuss and we are going to bring out our stand. But whenever I will, you people can be rest assured that whenever we are sitting here and making some comment, it is not personal comment of myself or Mr. Agnel, it is the party's comment.
Congress has demanded change in Panji poll schedule as it coincides with the Carnival on 14th Feb.
Especially Goa has been targeted. I think they wanted to target these two important celebrations of the Goans, that is Valentine's Day and the Carnival. Also, it has done a big blunder by declaring our elections after the results of the Delhi elections. It is going to influence the elections here. Never in the history of election commission, elections are held like that. It is not only the election commission, I'm sure the government of Goa also has a hand in that. Because the Goa election commissioner, he is consulted for this type of thing. We demand that the dates be changed and the results of the Delhi election should be declared after the results of the Goa election.
Congress is annoyed with government's stand on proposed golf court in the CM Parsekar's constituency.
Then the project has to get clearance from MOEF, Ministry of Environment and Forest. Anga Ministry of Environment and Forest file hochugut na. Clearance has been given by Goa State Environment Impact Assessment Authority. And I am surprised the Chief Minister is quiet. Such a big project is coming up in his constituency. People of his constituency are shouting. And he is quiet. He doesn't want to take any concrete steps on that. She is the environment minister. We are appealing to her that she has to intervene. We will be writing to her immediately.
Meanwhile, Congress MLA Alexio Reginaldo has criticized BJP government for reduction in MBBS seats from 150 to 100. The Medical Council of India has ordered reduction in the seats.
Senior residents and everybody go body salary di. See how many doctors and consultants are at the beck and call of the government, at the GMC service of the people. Why our people should suffer because of these things? Why is there no planned development, egocentric development? Umkech hands off MCI and disqualify केले seats. And from 150 to 100 देवले. आता 3 वर्षां there is दोन problem आहे. एक जे भुरगे 3 वर्षां 50 वाडयलो त्यांची फ्युचर कितें आणि आता नवे भुरगे जे एक्सपायर जाताले की आम बरे दोतोर जातले हे कॅरियर करतले म्हणून तेंगे फ्युचर कितें.
Laukik Shilkar for Prudent. State's move to recruit 15 JMFC officers has come under activist scanner. A petition has been filed before the High Court challenging ongoing process of recruiting 15 judicial magistrate first class. Petitioner has alleged that whole recruitment process is illegal as no seat has been reserved for the ST or SC. The High Court has admitted his petition for hearing. Petitioner in person Advocate Iris Rodriguez on Tuesday mentioned the matter before the double bench of the High Court. In his brief submission, he contended that entire recruitment process for recruiting 15 judicial magistrate first class is illegal as no seat has been reserved for ST and SC. Petitioner also contended that some candidates who do not have knowledge of Konkani language but have got the certificate holding him fluent in Konkani. Interviews for recruitment are scheduled for 29 January.
A complaint has been filed today before the administrative judge of the Bombay High Court at Goa against the procedure being followed in the selection of 15 judicial magistrate first class. The Bombay High Court at Goa has advertised the post of 15 JMFCs, and it has been pointed out now in the complaint to the Honorable High Court that the whole procedure is contrary to law. This whole selection process has to be repeated in accordance with law. Reservations have to be made for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and OBC, which is the law in Goa.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. BJP MLA Michael Lobo appeared before the crime branch in a forgery case. GCZMA in his complaint has alleged that Michael forged some NOC documents for his resort at Vaga. Lobo is questioned by DYSP Neelu Raut Desai.
BJP MLA from Kalangut Michael Lobo on Tuesday appeared before the crime branch in connection with the forgery case. Lobo was questioned by DYSP Neelu Raut Desai for about 2 hours. Police has recorded Michael's statement in this case. He is alleged of forging a NOC in 2010 while developing a resort at Baga. Later, Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority found this illegality and lodged complaint against Michael Lobo and his partner. Michael Lobo refused to comment on camera, but he denied the charges and claimed that he is cooperating with the investigation. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Frari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.